channel. Happy hump day. Today I am doing a bloom on a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Happy hump day. Today I am doing a beautiful bloom on a 20 by 20 deep edge gallery wrap canvas. Last week I went to play with Karen with waterfall acrylics in her studio, and I was taking some lessons from her and listening to her and how she thinks. And so I got home from work and I decided I wanted to do a bloom. So I've got some beautiful colors, not really colors you'd think to put together, but I think they're going to work out well. So let's get down on the canvas and get started. I'll be right back. All right, everyone. So I've got a 20 by 20 gallery wrap canvas, and I am going to start off with my pillow paint right here in the center. It's good there. All right. I had so much fun playing with Karen at her studio last week, so I couldn't wait to get back home from flying, and I wanted to start playing with some colors. So what I've got today is Bordeaux Red. So I'm going to make sure I have plenty of the paint on here. I'll put my mixtures and everything in the description box. I'm going to go with some iridescent gold from Golden. I go with some Constallation from TLP. And quinacridone Rose from Amsterdam. That should be good. My cell activator, I'm going to use black with this. All right, high fan and cool for the blow. All right, good blowout. Got some nice little wispies around here. It's collecting nice. I got some really cute cells here in the center. Should end up with a little bit of negative space too, I think. We'll see how that spins. Wonderful color combination. All right, I'm gonna give this a light spin. Ooh, that's pretty. Wonderful gradient action through here. Really, really beautiful. Okay, let's give it another spin. Just checking for composition, where things are going. I like that this is now moved off center, really beautiful. So now I'm going to be spinning to get a little more paint off and see if I can get some of these corners to go over. Let's take a little bit of this paint that's over here. I'm going to add it here to help that flow. Make sure our sides get covered. All right, let's go again. Fantastic. I love the negative space that's going through there. Love what's happening down here. It's a beautiful, beautiful butterfly. Nice gradient colors. Just kind of fades out. The pink and the Bordeaux Red kind of coming together, mixing in with the black, gives like a cherry feel. Okay, yeah, I like this. Now I need to check to make sure that I don't have too much paint on the canvas. How do we do that? Take our little skewer, put it down in the center of our canvas, and make sure it doesn't go up more than just a little bit of the tip. Give it another spin. We'll go the other way this time. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we're talking. Love what's happening through here. So beautiful. Just gonna scrape this sides and edges here. All right, guys, here we are with the wet results. So I am digging this. I love this blowout. I'll show you what I'm talking about, that cherry color. It just kind of melded with the colors. It created its new color. But here, digging that negative space, the white going through there. Here's what I'm talking about. The two reds, the pink and the red, mixing in with the black created that nice marbling type cherry color. Just fantastic. The deep Arteza there. The cute little cells that are running through it. Cluster within a cluster. So cool there. Look at those there. So nice. Kind of just fade through there. Gorgeous. All right, let's see how this one dries. All right, everyone, that's gonna do it for today's video. So I can't show you the dried results because it's not dry yet, but I will put the dried results in the next video. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, if you're looking for any of my art, you can purchase it over on my webpage at studio15acrylics.com. All right, everyone, have a great week. I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.